Hello everyone! Mayong adlaw mga higala. I'm Mitch and for this video, I will be sharing my no-bake ube cheesecake. For the ingredients, we need 150 grams crushed grahams and 1/2 cup melted butter for the crust. For the filling, we need 2 cups cream cheese, 1/2 cup condensed milk, 1/3 cup sugar, 2 tablespoons gelatin, 1/3 cup cold water, 2 tablespoons ube flavoring, 1 cup Mona Lisa, 1/4 cup ube halaya, and 1/2 cup Mona Lisa for decoration, and ube crumbs. First, we need to mix the crust, the crushed grahams, and your melted butter. After mixing it, press natin in a removable bottom pan. Tapos, let's chill this one for 10 minutes. Then, in your mixer, cream your cream cheese, sugar, condensed milk, ube halaya, and your flavor. Cream this one around 5 minutes. The gelatin is bloomed already, so melt na natin to. Once melted, lagay na natin. After the gelatin, change tayo ng whisk attachment, then we will be adding the Mona Lisa or the whipping cream. Then, let's get the crust. Matigas na. Then, ready na natin i-pour yung filling. Then, let's chill this one for another 20 minutes. Now, let's whip the whipping cream for decoration. Let's remove the cheesecake. Ayan, matigas na. Then, let's decorate it with whipping cream and some ube crumbs. There you have it, our no-bake ube cheesecake recipe. Again, for the ingredients, don't forget to visit Sweet House Baking Store here in Cagayan de Oro, Balingasag, or in Palawan. We have Swiss Valley cream cheese, ube halaya, Mona Lisa, Bakersfield ube flavor, and Bravo condensed milk. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!